Good morning, dear students. Today I shall continue the same act, same scene, The Merchant of Venice, Act First, Scene Third, from line number 155. This is a very beautiful speech of Antonio. Antonio is talking to Bassanio. Antonio says, Why are you so afraid of Bassanio? Why are you so dejected and downcast? To listen about the terms and conditions of Shylock's bond. Why are you so afraid? Why are you so dejected and depressed? Fear not. Do not afraid of the words which are written in the bond. Fear not, man. I will not forfeit it. I will not forfeit it. These words of Antonio show that Antonio is overconfident. Antonio is overconfident. In Macbeth, Shakespeare says, security is mortal's chiefest enemy. Security means overconfidence. Mortal means human beings. Security means overconfidence is a human being's enemy. Here, when Antonio says, I will not forfeit it, means the bond will not be forfeited. Shylock will not be able to take the penalty according to the terms and conditions of the bond. He was overconfident. Within these 2 months, that is a month before, in the bond, 3 months is written. But within these 2 months, that is a month before. Means 1 month before the expiry of the bond, I shall get a lot of money because my merchandise ships are sailing in every nook and corner of the world. Antonio's merchandise ships, big commercial ships, are sailing in different parts of the world. And he was overconfident that a day will come when his merchandise ships will be back, and when the ships will be back, the sailors, the captains of the ships will bring a lot of money, and with the help of that money, he will be able to repay the debt, repay the money which he is going to take from Shylock. Within these 2 months, that is a month before, this bond expires. Means this bond expires after 3 months, and within these 2 months, my merchandise ships, my commercial ships will bring a lot of money from me. And 1 month before the expiry of the bond, I shall be able to repay the money which I am going to take from Shylock. I do expect a return of thrice 3 times the value I do expect a return. Here also, the overconfidence of Antonio is reflected through these words. The confidence of Antonio is reflected through these words when he says, I do expect a return of thrice 3 times. Thrice 3 times means 9 times, many times, means the money which I am going to take from Sailor, I am going to take many times the money which I am going to take. Means my merchandise ships will bring a lot of money for me, and with the help of that money I shall be easily able to repay the debt. Of thrice 3 times the value of this bond, Shylock says, O Father Abraham, O Holy Father, what these Christians are, what sort of men these Christians are, what sort of men these Christians are. O Father Abraham, what sort of persons, what sort of men these Christians are. Be my witness, O Father Abraham, be my witness as to what these Christians are, as to what sort of persons these Christians are, whose own hard dealings, whose own hard means tough dealings, teaches them suspect, means whose own tough dealings teaches them to be suspicious of. Suspect means to be suspicious of the thoughts of others. Thoughts here means intention, the intention of others. Means whose own hard dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of others. What sort of persons these Christians are. O Father Abraham, O Holy Father, see these Christians. What sort of persons these Christians are. Be the witness. Be my witness, O Father. O Father, be my witness as to what kind of persons these Christians are. Whose own hard means tough, whose own hard dealings teaches them, whose own tough dealings teaches them to be suspicious of the thoughts means the intentions of others. Whose own tough dealings teaches them to be suspicious of the intentions of others. Pray you tell me this. I pray you, O Father Abraham, O Holy Father Abraham, I pray you. Tell me, guide me, show me the way. Show me the way. Tell me, if he should break his day, means if he should break his promise to pay on a certain day which is mentioned in the bond, if he should break his day, if he should break his promise to pay on a certain day which is mentioned in the bond, what should I gain? What should I gain by the exhaustion of the fourth feature? What should I gain by the exhaustion means by taking the penalty? If he should break his day, if Antonio will break his promise to pay on a certain day which is mentioned in the bond, what should I gain by exhaustion means by taking of the forfeiture means penalty. What should I gain by taking the penalty? A pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable. Is not so estimable means is not so valuable, is not so costly. A pound of man's flesh taken from a man's body. A pound of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, is not so valuable. Means a pound of flesh which I shall get after the expiry of the bond, that flesh will not be so valuable, that flesh should not be so costly, profitable neither, and that flesh will not be profitable for me. As flesh of muttons, beefs are good. In comparison to the flesh of muttons, beefs are goats, the flesh which I shall take from the body of Antonio, that should not be so valuable, that should not be so profitable. I say to buy his favor. I say to buy his favor. I make this offer. I say to buy his favor. I make this offer in a spirit of friendship. I say to buy his favor. I extend this friendship. I want to make Antonio my friend. That's why I make this offer in a spirit of friendship. I say to buy his favor. I extend this friendship. Means I make this beautiful offer to Antonio because I want to make him my friend. Okay, so that I may disarm Antonio of his enmity towards me. Antonio is behaving like an adversary. Antonio is behaving like a rival. Antonio abused me. He called me a dog. He insulted me at a Rialto before merchants. That's why I offer this friendship to make him my good friend and save myself from the insults. I say to buy his favor. My main purpose to give Antonio 3,000 ducats is to make him my fast friend, is to make him my best friend. I extend this friendship. If he will take it, it means bond. Take means accept. If he will accept the terms and conditions of the bond. If he is ready to admit and acknowledge the terms and conditions written in the bond, if he is ready to confess the terms and conditions mentioned in the bond, so then it is all right. If not, if he is not ready to accept, if he is not ready to confess and acknowledge the terms and conditions in the bond, adieu, then goodbye to Antonio. I am not ready to give him 3,000 ducats. And for my love, I pray you, wrong me now. and for my love, but do not be unjust to me for offering this act of love. This is my act of love. I offer this act of love, and for my love, I pray you, wrong me not, but do not be unjust to me for offering this act of love. Antonio, yes, Sila, I will seal unto this bond. After hearing such a long and impressive speech of Shylock, the mind of Antonio changed all of a sudden, and he was caught in the grip of Shylock. Antonio was caught in the grip of Shylock. Antonio was caught in the net of Shylock. Antonio says, yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. I am ready to finalize this bond. I am ready to put my signature in the bond. I am ready to accept the terms and conditions in the bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at the notary's. If you accept the terms and conditions of the bond, then meet me at notary. Then meet me at legal officer's office. Then meet me at the solicitor's office. Then meet me forthwith at the notary's. Give him direction for this merry bond. Let me go a little early, because I have to give the solicitor, some directions regarding the preparation of the merry bond, the pleasant bond, the humorous bond. Give him direction for this merry bond. I shall go a little early to give direction to the legal officer regarding the bond. Okay, and he shall prepare the humorous bond in my guidance, in my supervision. And I will go and pursue the Ducats straight. And I will go and pursue the Ducats estate. Pursue the Ducats estate means at once make ready the Ducats to a purse. I will go. Shylock is determined. Shylock is determined to go immediately to his house and pursue the Ducats estate means at once make arrangement, make ready the Ducats in a purse, see to my house. That's why I want to go early. After giving direction to the legal officer, I shall go at once to my house, put the money in a purse, and I shall bring here to hand over the money to you. Left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave, Antonio, I left my house. I left my house in the fearful guard. I left my house in the unsafe care of Lancelot. My house is under the care of Lancelot. That person is a very careless person. Lancelot is a very careless person, left in the fearful guard. Fearful guard means left in the unsafe care of Lancelot. I left my house. I left my house in the unsafe care of Lancelot, of an unthrifty knave. Lancelot is an irresponsible servant. My house is now in an unsafe hand. My house is in the custody of an irresponsible servant whose name is Lancelot. And presently I will be with you, and soon I shall join you there at legal officer's office. Antonio, hie thee, gentle Jew. Hie thee, make haste, gentle Jew. Exit Shylock. The Hebrew will turn Christian. He grows kind. Antonio says, the Hebrew will turn Christian. The Hebrew means the Jew. Shylock is going to turn Christian, is going to convert himself into Christianity. He grows kind. Day by day, he is becoming kind and magnanimous. He is becoming generous. He is becoming benevolent. Bassanio, I like not fair turns and villains. Bassanio is still doubtful about the intention, about the motive, about the behavior of Shylock. He does not like the sweet words spoken by Shylock. He does not like the magnanimity and generosity which is shown by Shylock. Antonio does not understand the real behavior of Shylock. That's why once again Bassanio warned him. Bassanio tells his friend, I like not fair turns. I like not fair turns and a villain's mind. I apparently do not like the kind words offered by a villain's mind. Shylock is a villain. He is gifted with villainous behavior and activity. He is a character in negative role. That's why